Hello, welcome back to my channel. For my already subscribers, thank you for tuning in again. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you doing? Okay, join the freaking party. Now let me stop playing. But no, seriously, hit that dang on subscribe button. Hello, I'm over here trying to do something. It's Valentine's Day, of course. Now, I'm lame. I work, I go to school, and I mind my business. So I'm not doing anything today because I probably have to go shoot a short film tomorrow. Do holidays except for birthdays and a couple of random things. I really don't do holidays. Okay, I work. So, but because it's the month of February, it's only right that I do some for Valentine's. Now, I made some. Look, okay, I try to spell love, but before I get into this DIY, okay, I would like to tell you guys this is what I use. These are candy melts. These are vanilla artificial flavor, okay? And for me, I use coconut oil as a thinner because it depends on your taste of how you want your chocolate. If you want your chocolate like extra thick or whatever, you feel me? Okay, make sure that your strawberries are completely washed. I have to say that, okay? Because some of y'all just, I don't know. I've seen people do some crazy things with some food, bruh. But wash off these strawberries. Make sure that they're completely dry, like no wetness at all, or it's not going to stick to the chocolate, okay? Take toothpicks because you're going to need to grab it. Now make sure all the little leaves is all gathered up so you don't get leaves in your chocolate and the leaves don't get stuck to the strawberry. Okay? I'm just saying, I've seen some crazy things. Now you want a marble effect. You want to lightly take the toothpick and drag it. But don't go too hard because when you do that, this is what happens. You see that? Yeah. So you do not want to go too hard. And you also want to hold it the opposite way of what I'm doing, like hold it down. I'm personally just eating these, so I'm holding it any kind of way, okay? Now to do the marble effect, you basically drizzle the chocolate in the other side. Now you do not want to swirl it as much as I did. I don't know why I did that. I was like nervous because I didn't want to mix my red and make it pink. So I end up cheating right here. So you want to take the toothpick and just take it where the red and the white is, and you want to drag where those marks are and go any kind of direction that you want. I didn't realize I was kind of out of frame, so I try to zoom up. I'm sure I'm going to end up making this video again. If just comment below if you want a one that's greater in details. But where the white matches with the red, you just swirl any kind of way, and then you get this little extra design. It's real simple and easy, okay? Now, I'm going to make sure that this is completely red. I don't want no white popping up because I'm just going to drizzle some little lines. Now, I don't know what you call it. I call this the crisscross. You feel me? Like Rick Ross, the boss. No, I'm playing. Let me stop doing the most. But yeah, you just want to like swipe in the opposite direction diagonally. Okay, this is real simple and easy. I was using the knife that I used to basically stir up the chocolate. And that strawberry, I'm going to do something different. But you see how I scooted it up? That's to stop that puddle that's at the bottom of it. Now, you know, if you scoot it and you still see a puddle, evidently, scoot it a little bit one more time. And boom, you got your puddle-free strawberry. And I did another crisscross. Now, this is just going to be my baby like to call it glitter. It's a glitter berry. But I'm going to put sprinkles on that one. Now, I finally was like, let me stop being lazy and get a plastic bag. Now, with a plastic bag and a chocolate, you can get precise lines. But, you know, whatever. Let's show people other ways, okay? Now, that's how you add on that. And I'm going to do the same thing. Oh, I wrote love, but, you know, it was a little bit too hot. But when you write the O and the V, make sure there's enough space because it will like bleed in with each other and look crazy. And this is going to be the last strawberry. I'm just going to add some, some sprinkles. Sprinkles. Okay. A little break because I was making them and I ain't eat nothing while I was doing it. So the makeup that I have on, and I suck at makeup and I'm still learning. So all those makeup people, don't be coming after my face because I am learning. I don't know how to do nothing with the foundations and none of that. None of that. But this makeup is stuff that I got at my Boxy charm. These lashes is some crap that I got off of Wish. If you had not checked out my video from Wish, go ahead, check that out. Down in the description below. I don't know what I was thinking. Happy Valentine's Day. I'm about to go to bed. I'ma put it down just for the crib. If you didn't know, it's pretty lit. Black love, I'm happy you exist. Black love, know you probably heard about it. This is that love. Say some things you don't mean, take it back, love. Don't always like you, but you know I got your back, love. It's black love, you should get yourself some black love.